Looking for your breakthrough as a YouTube content creator? Then you definitely need to step up your thumbnail quality. Here, we will show you how to create eye-catching thumbnails that will make your video stand out from your competition for free with Canva. Hey, this is Silicophilic, the home for all tech users. YouTube is an amazing social media platform where anyone can share their content and get amazing engagement. It's no wonder that there are so many aspiring YouTubers nowadays, simply waiting for their big breakthrough but unable to get it. Even if you are making great content and it's ranking on the YouTube search results, your video may not get as many clicks as it should. The competition in YouTube is fierce, and unless you are making some extremely niche content, you will find thousands of videos on the same topic. This is where a great thumbnail makes a difference. The click-through rate of your thumbnail decides whether the user will click on your video or pick one of your competitors. Now, planning your thumbnail is one thing, executing is completely different. Not everyone can be a graphic designer nor afford to hire one. This is why Canva is an amazing solution. It's free, extremely easy to use, and comes with some pretty nifty features. In this video, we will show you an in-depth tutorial on how to make an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail for your content for free with Canva. Now, this might be a long video, so use the timestamps if you're only looking for specific things. Then do give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for similar content in the future. Let's start. First, head to the official website of Canva. There will be a link in the description that you can use. Now, you will have to create a Canva account. If you already have an account, skip to the YouTube thumbnail creation. Click on sign up and you can use your email or phone number to sign up. Or log in with an existing Google, Facebook or Apple account. Once you are logged in, search for YouTube thumbnails. Here you will find multiple pre-made thumbnail templates. Check the free box here and sort all the royalty-free YouTube thumbnail templates. Now we are going to create a new one, so click on Create a Blank Thumbnail. Canva will automatically set the size for a perfect YouTube thumbnail, so you don't need to worry about the aspect ratio. When you are making a YouTube thumbnail, it has to be as eye-catching as possible and present the content of your video clearly. A good practice for an eye-catching thumbnail is using a still picture, especially the face that's the brand for the content. Almost all big YouTubers use this tactic. For channels that don't use any face on their content, like our channel, there are other ways to make your thumbnail more eye-catching. One thing you can do is use an expressive royalty-free image, but we suggest you not to do that. We will show you how we make eye-catching YouTube thumbnails without having a face on it. First, we will have to select a template as the backbone for the thumbnail. This simply makes the process faster, but you can always manually aggregate the elements. Let's pick this one. I like the background here. Remove everything that we don't want from the template. As you can see, all these are different elements that can be added and removed separately. I like this element, so let's set it as a background. Pick a border for the thumbnail. This can be done from the Elements section. Click on Lines and Shapes and select this one. Change its color, something light to draw more attention and contrast with a dark background. You can also add your brand color from here. Stretch it out to fit the border. Now we need to add the catchphrase. Click on text and add a heading. Write your catchphrase here. We are going with create YouTube thumbnails with Canva. Try to add the lines as different text elements. This will give you more freedom to set them as you prefer. Here you can choose the font, set the size, change the scaling and even add a shadow from the effects. Adding a light shadow will highlight the text, making it more eye-catching. Once done, simply copy-paste it for the number of lines you need. This will keep the effects consistent over all the lines. Create YouTube thumbnails with Canva for free. Make this a bit smaller so that it stands out. Now, add a background for the text by using a solid element. This will further highlight them. Click here to add a new page where you can keep the elements you need to add and edit them without worrying about your main work. Let's add some of our past video thumbnails. Give them a background. We can simply right-click on this and send this element backward. You need to add something on your thumbnail that should relate with the content of the video, especially if you are not using a face. Adding some more thumbnails. You can upload images by simply dragging them from your PC onto this Canva window. We already had the images uploaded, so I simply picked from it. Tilt the thumbnails to help them stand out. Highlight the important parts of the catchphrase. Use light colors to make it more eye-catching. Now we are done. Click on download and download your thumbnail for free. That's it. If you have stuck around till the end, then do give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for similar content in the future. We also have a Facebook group where you can share your tech issues and get direct help from us. You can also share any thumbnails you have made by following our guide, which we would love to see. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.